Man, it's Eric back with All Replay. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm about to go to Planet Fitness, man. I've been here for about a month or so doing about 2.5, 3 mile run and just some pull-ups and, sit-ups and some dips and stuff like that. And, I got the black car, so I get the hydro massage bed where you get to lay down and massages your whole, back of your body, man. Or they got recliners, they got, places, to go sit down and watch TV. They got like tanning beds and stuff like that. So, I'm gonna put a little link down below, man. This is where I've been going right now. I may be looking at changing over to Crunch Fitness just because I could take my kids there. I can't bring my kids here. You have to be 13 years of age or older to actually, bring a younger child here. But they got treadmills, they got climbers, they got free weights. They got all the machines and stuff like that, and it's like 5 o'clock in the morning, so it's probably like 2 or 3 people in there, man. I'll go ahead and get my workout on and go from there, man. So I'll show you some of the amenities and then we'll go from there. So here are the treadmills, and you got TVs and free weights, machines and stuff like that. Locker rooms, and they got these cool little lockers right here. You can put in a 4-digit code and lock up your valuables and go work out and come back and unlock it. So these are pretty neat. I like that. So I'll go ahead and jump on the treadmill and get my run on, and I'll catch you all in a little bit. I got to show y'all, there's like a little sitting area right here. Some TVs and stuff and some massage chairs. Flip it around real quick. You pay, and there's a recliner bed. You got the hydro massage bed where you can lie down, you can adjust the different pressures, and it goes from your foot all the way to your head. You got the recliner one here. This is all part of the black card service. And then there's a body enhancement. I haven't gone into there. I may try that tomorrow, where I think that's like what I would do in between workouts. Thank you for checking out a short little video. Got my muscle milk here. I'm gonna sit back, relax. I'm gonna put a link down low where you get 3 months free just for signing up, hey. So check it out.